Happy holidays, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Sharita, and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the Christmas decorations for my living room. I've already decorated the staircase as well as the tree, so I'll link those videos in the description box. Let's pause right here to talk about the furry boxes. I purchased the fabric from Hobby Lobby, the tacky spray from Walmart, and you can get ribbon from anywhere. You can also use hot glue, but I did find that the tacky spray was easier to use. All right, so let's go ahead and continue. If you watch my channel, you probably see that I did move my furniture around. Well, pretty much just the chairs to accommodate the tree in the space. All right, everyone, we are coming to the end of this video. I want to thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for all the feedback. I am so grateful. for you all. If you like these types of videos and you want to see more videos from me, please consider subscribing to my channel and turn your notification on so you'll be the first to know when I post more videos. I do plan on doing a Christmas tour of all of the rooms pulled together, as well as a few more hauls before Christmas. So please don't forget to turn that notification on and hit that subscribe button. Thanks again for watching. Happy holidays.